Hello, magandang araw. Minsan ba naisip mo na mag-retire at an early age? And interesado kang malaman how much fund do you need para masustain mo yung cost of living mo during your retirement years? If yes, this vlog is for you. First and foremost, ilang taon ka na ba ngayon? So, if you are 25 years old, for example lang ha, and ang target natin retirement age is at 40, tapos the maximum age na we forecasted that we will be alive is until the age of 80. So, ang retirement years na kailangan nating i-fund is 40. So, and that is 80 minus yung age natin nung nag-start tayong mag-retire, which is 40. Kaya meron tayong retirement years na 40. Ito yung kailangan rin nating i-fund. So, una, i-check muna natin ano ba yung cost of living natin. Kung mataas yung cost of living mo, syempre mas higher din yung fund na kailangan mong ipunin. So, for example, ito yung yung regular bills mo. For example lang naman So that will give you a total of 30,833.33 pesos per month. So, if 30,833.33 pesos yung cost of living mo, ang retirement fund na kailangan nating maipon is basically i-multiply mo lang yung cost of living mo sa retirement years, which is 30,833 pesos, 0.33 times yung 40. And that will give us a total of retirement fund of 14,800,000. Such that masustain natin yung cost of living natin if we will retire at 40, given yung 30,000 plus na monthly cost of living natin. Plus factor kung meron ka pang pension. So, depende yan, no, kung saan yung mga sources mo ng pension mo. So, yun, at least meron ka pang additional allowance for your travel and if you are supporting someone else in your family. So, make sure na na-complete mo rin naman yung number of contributions na nire-require ni SSS to get a pension. Okay, I hope this somehow give you an idea no, kung paano mo i-compute yung retirement fund mo. Just in case you're planning to retire early. Alright, I think that's all for today. Thank you and happy learning! Bye!